To factory reset your Night Owl DVR, start by locating the reset button, which is usually found at the back or bottom of the device. Once you have found the reset button, use a paper clip or a small pin to press and hold it for about 10 seconds. This will initiate the reset process. Next, release the reset button and wait for the device to reboot. You will know the device is rebooting when the lights on the front of the DVR start flashing. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient and do not unplug the device. During the reboot process, the DVR will automatically restore its factory settings, which will erase all recorded footage, user settings, and any other custom configurations. It is essential to note that this process is irreversible, so make sure you have backed up any important footage before resetting the device. Once the reboot process is complete, the DVR will display the initial setup screen. From here, you can set up your device as if it were new, including configuring the date and time, setting up user accounts, and adjusting any other settings as needed. It is recommended to check for any firmware updates after resetting the device to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. To do this, go to the Settings menu and look for the Firmware Update option. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Finally, test your device to ensure it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments to the settings. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully factory reset your Night Owl DVR and get it up and running again. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions, as the reset process may vary slightly depending on the model of your device.